So okay, 10th of June. It seems we don't really have any high impact news, so it's good. Next step, let us go. This is Euro GBP. We could see that Euro GBP, we had one level, we had two level, three levels of rise, and from that point it dropped, and boom, it started again, one level, two level. And I also believe that this right here, this could be what, level 3. Let us see. It's all about finding these patterns that you have seen before and putting all these things together. And if you have some sort of confluence and some sort of different confirmation, that's how you end up finding the best setups. Okay. Okay. This could be like this. It could be having level 1, pull back, level 2, and level 3 perhaps. It's not too clear, which I don't really like, but for now I think we can work with this. For now I think we can really work with this and just see. But for Euro GBP, it's out of the question right now. You can see this crazy movement, which we are not really interested. So we are going to be changing pairs from Euro GBP. Perhaps we're going to be taking a look at Euro USD, and from Euro USD you can see that we had also level 1, we had our level 2, and essentially we had level 3. You can see like one, probably I think this could be like 3 weeks of rise. 3 weeks of rise, boom boom boom, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. These guys, they have literally the same patterns, and they do these same things, trap moves, all over again, over and over again. So it's like, soon as you start to really recognize how they move, soon as you start to really recognize their patterns and everything, it can really be a game changer. I think you're gonna have one of those aha moments, like, okay, now I got this, now I got this. Obviously you're still gonna face a few setbacks here and there, because this is trading, it's a game of probabilities. And yeah, but it's at least you'll be more confident in your setup, and you take trades based on experience, not on emotions or something of that sort. Okay, so we had boom, 1 week of rise, 2 weeks of rise, 3 weeks of rise. We had 1, we had 2, 3. This does look like a double top. One on Monday. This was what, London, double top. Let me go to the 15 minutes. I hate how these colors are now. I changed the color. Let me just make this blue. I hate how this color looks right now. Okay, got the blue. Let me actually change the whole template. Okay, yeah, this is better, so much better. It's a bit much cleaner for me. I like something that's clean. Okay, we can see that yesterday was Monday. We had our first hit of a year, which was yesterday. Came back, and today actually at the Asian, they decided to hit for the second time at the Asia session, and we had a doji. It should be a doji candle, and then we dropped, came retested through the EMA, we dropped again to this level. So at this point, I think we are late to the party. I would only be interested in entering this specific pair if price came down here. Price came down here, somewhere around this area over here, up here actually, not down. Right, this is the Asian midline, which is also a strong level, as you can see. So the Asian midline, perhaps if price comes here and gives us another rejection, and then maybe we could take like What time is it? New. So London just opened right now, so I don't like how they sparked the low, so I'm not really interested in entering this pair right now. Let me go back to the H1. Okay, we wait. This could be a good consolidation, which is another way of marking it. We could just mark this whole consolidation area. I think it would be much cleaner at this point in time. When it comes to counting level, you can count the pushes or you can count the consolidation. Both works depending on how the market is behaving. And also you can look at the EMAs as well. Okay, so boom, boom, we get the cross here on the 1 hour, level 1 probably. Let's see. Yeah, so Euro USD, we're gonna leave it to the side. Now we've got DXI. Let me see. We had 1, 2, 3 levels of drop. We had our first level of rise on DXI. We could mark this consolidation zone over here. That appears to be wanting to break. So let's see. 1, 2, and this is 3 levels of drop, first level of rise. So there's actually two options here. One is that they will continue to the high side. The other one is that they could also decide to reset. They could reset. So one is they might go to the outside. The other one, they could hit a reset, making this specific level over here an M formation. Let me just do this so you guys can see. I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, this could be like an M formation. For those of you who don't understand, why am I saying this could be an M formation? This could be the first leg. Boom, boom up here. You see how they only through the wick is starting to reject, and then boom to the downside, and then we begin the cycle again, 1, 2, 3 to the downside. So there are two probabilities over here, and I think I'm going to be keeping an eye on DXY, because if DXY starts dropping, that means the euro is going to start rising. But if the DXY continues rising, that means the euro is going to drop. Essentially, I actually want the euro to drop, which means I'm just hoping that the DXY rises. So let's just see how the whole thing is gonna, and the whole setup is actually going to present itself. And yeah, I'm pretty sure we might be able to find something. So Euro USD and DXY side by side, and Bitcoin. I was just doing some back tests over here. That's why I was writing all of these things, as I am building up a system for Bitcoin. So it's gonna be amazing. It's definitely gonna be amazing. And for all of you guys who haven't gotten my system, the free trial is still available. You can get a free trial to my trading bot, 3 months free trial, no upfront payments, no credit cards or anything of that sort. Okay, so we had 1 level of drop, 2 levels of drop, 3 levels of drop, right, on Bitcoin. So from that point, we can see that price gave us 1, probably gave us 2, and then I would say that this is 3 over here. Let me check something. Let me go to the 4 hours real quick. Yeah, I could say this is 3 over here. Basically, I would be boxing the levels and counting the levels like this. one. Right, hold on. Take this off. One from here to here. Then we had that pullback, making this 2, and then this could potentially be 3. You know, we just have to see how price behaves, especially around this area. As it got here, it started reversing, so should be something worth actually considering and looking out for over here, around this level over here, which is quite a strong level on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, I would be interested if right now price is giving us a stop hunt low, so I'm not really interested unless maybe we'll be taking a buy side. I hate this color, can't lie. I don't know why I changed. I must have changed by mistake, because I was previously using this template here, which is the dark one, but for your guys' sake I ended up using the white one, because the dark one might be confusing for you guys, but the white one is a bit more simple, and you can definitely see it better. But for me, this is my Batman style over here. Let's see. Yeah, I would be interested if it gave us a stop hunt to the high and whatever. So at this point it might go here, it might drop a bit, pull back a bit more, you never know really. So yeah, so this is my point of view for all these pairs, which is DXY, Euro USD, Bitcoin, and also we did break down a bit of Euro GBP. So for today I'm still waiting, perhaps around the New York session I might be able to find some profitable setups and benefit from them. As of now, I'm just gonna keep my eyes on the market and also focus on some of the other things. And that's also the beauty of having a trading system, is that you don't solely need to rely on just one specific source of income. You can have 2, you can have 3, especially in trading, which is quite a game changer, to be honest. Trading, you're basically self-employed, right? You're basically self-employed when it comes to trading. You still work in a job, it's just self-employed. But if you have something like a system or whatever, then yeah, it's like you're running a business, a proper business, because even if you're not there, you're still able to get something. Even if you're not there, you're still able to. It might not be as much as you could make and with trading like on a daily basis, but you're still able to reap out something, depending also on how many sources or how many accounts you have. So this is something that I usually emphasize, and I usually tell a lot of other trading beginners, that even me specifically, when I started up, if I knew that there was a system like this, I would definitely use it as well, because imagine wasting 2-3 years learning. It's not really wasting, but you are learning something, but you're still not making something out of it. You're losing. So you could use your profits and take those profits to invest in yourself, or even find your trading accounts whilst you trade on your own as well. That's something worth considering. Of course, there's still some risk, just like any trading, there's still some risk behind it as well. So yeah, for all those of you guys who want to get the free trial, check the description below. You'll find a link to my new website that I launched. You can even see the FX book, which is below. If you scroll down below, perhaps I can actually show you. Okay, so find attached my website. If you scroll down, you can find the automated trading, the trading courses, premium signal, community access. And if you come down here, you can see a performance of the Gekko bot. You can even press over here, then you to take you to the FX book directly, where you can go and check its performance. And over here you can get the community access. All of these are free, as they are sponsored already, so you don't have to pay anything. So this is it for today's episode, guys. Really great to be back. I'll probably be uploading more often. Please subscribe, share with a couple friends, and then yeah, let's grow our community. Peace, guys.